guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vika and you're with The Modern Creatures. Today we're taking a look at this cute but sporty vehicle, the Honda Jazz RS. With a price tag of 1,088,000 pesos, what exactly does this car have to offer? Let's find out. Oh, and before we proceed, if you like videos like this one, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below since we upload unboxing and review videos regularly. And now that's out of the way, let's get to the video. There's no mistaking a Jazz, but in this rally red color, you can expect it to turn some heads. The Honda Jazz's overall design doesn't shy away from the aesthetic of the ones that came before it. It still exudes a very cool and sporty feel with its sleek lines and sporty accents. Up front, you get a nice matte black front grille, which is sandwiched by two LED headlights equipped with daytime running lights. And being the RS variant, you'll find the exclusive RS emblem sitting pretty on the right side of the grille. Round the back, you have the LED tail lamp equipped with an LED high-mount stop lamp. A closer look on the front bumper reveals matching carbon accents, which are also present on the design of the rear bumper. Following the Jazz's lines brings your focus to the elegant sill garnish on the side, and then to the tailgate spoiler, which pretty much rounds out the car's design. And lastly, adding a bit more flair to the Jazz are its full black gloss, power-adjustable side mirrors, and these very handsome 16-inch gloss black alloy wheels. The insides are a lot more subtle with its seats made of simple black fabric finished off with orange-colored stitching. Additionally, the steering wheel and shift knob are wrapped with leather for a more premium feel. But of course, one of the main features of the Jazz has always been the amount of space it had to offer. The setup is somewhat modular and offers 4 modes to choose from depending on your needs. Utility mode allows you to fold down the seats on the second row to reveal a fully flat back. If you need a little bit more space, you can adapt long mode by reclining the front passenger seat to add a few more inches in length. Honda says that in long mode, you can even easily stow a full-length surfboard. Now, if you're not really looking for length but height, opt for the Jazz's tall mode by simply folding the bottom seat of the second row. And lastly, for those times when you just need to take a quick break from driving, the Jazz offers refresh mode. By detaching the headrest and reclining the front and driver passenger seat, the back seat transforms into a lounge of some sort where you can give your legs some well-deserved stretch. The center console houses a 7-inch touchscreen display with a couple of features. Just below the touchscreen display, you can find the automatic air conditioning system, which also utilizes a touch panel. This may be a pro for some as it does look more modern, but lacking tactile buttons to manipulate could easily result in some distractions while driving since you'll have to look where you're pressing it instead of just feeling it out. On the steering wheel, you can also find useful controls for audio as well as for answering and dropping calls. The first thing I noticed about the Jazz was how light and nimble it is to bring around. Its sportiness isn't limited to its look since it can accelerate pretty fast when the situation calls for it. The engine was responsive and can easily pick up speed even when the vehicle is loaded with passengers. Another thing I liked about the Jazz is how wide the windshield is. As the driver, it's important that you see everything happening around you, so having a wide, unobstructed view is a good thing. And in order to yield better fuel consumption during your trips, its Eco mode is there to keep its performance in moderation. There's even this ambient light that indicates how friendly your gas input is. Step on the gas hard, the light turns blue. Ease up a bit, and it turns green. It's a handy feature for me as it serves as a constant reminder to achieve better mileage. We took the Jazz around the metro doing errands as well as out of town for a quick drive and to experience the vehicle further. On long highways, it's very smooth and the cruise control comes in handy for a more steady-paced adventure. Although going on streets with uneven surfaces, you kind of feel the bumps, but it's nothing too alarming. The Honda Jazz RS for me is one perfect example of a vehicle suited for Metro Manila. It's compact enough for some of our narrow streets, it has useful tech that comes in handy during long and short drives, and offers versatility in space, depending on what you need. It also looks good and turns heads on the roads with its RS package, and more importantly, yields mileage that's above average. So if you've been a Jazz fan and you want to get the latest features and signature kits, you'll definitely enjoy the Jazz RS. And that was the Honda Jazz RS. What did you guys think of this compact but capable go-getter? I really like it, but we want to know your thoughts, so leave us a comment down below. Unfortunately, that's all we have for today, but we look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Once again, I'm Vika with the Modern Creatures. Thanks for watching.